Hey everyone, Trey Underhill, back on site. This time I'm taking a look at an existing home. Now as you can see from the looks of it, it is a fairly new house, and you're right, but it has been here for a couple of years. And I'm meeting with clients and they're gonna be doing an inspection walkthrough. Now, finding the right house, that's a step, it's the first step, it's a start. But an inspection is gonna show you what this home really is. Even with homes that are move-in ready, you couldn't think of a thing wrong with it. It's amazing what an inspection can show you or reveal. Small things you might have questions about. Things like, oh, is the crack across the driveway? Or the one on the patio? Is that truly a concern, a foundation issue? Also, things that your eyes might not be catching, but a trained inspector's eyes do. All those are key and functional to you and something you need to know prior to purchase, right? So come walk with me as we take a look at this property. And as we do, you're going to find out why doing an inspection is one of the simplest yet smartest things that you as a buyer can do when you're purchasing a home, and definitely before closing. So come on, let's go inside and take a look. Buying a home is one of the biggest and most exciting decisions that you're ever going to make. But it also comes with questions. That's where a home inspection comes in. Think of it as a deep dive look at your home, showing what's working great, what might need some attention, and what could become a costly issue to you down the road. A trusted, licensed inspector helps bring those details to light and gives you a clearer picture of your potential new home. Now remember, even the best inspectors are human. They can't see through walls, and no inspection is 100% flawless. That's why we always encourage buyers to attend walkthroughs with their inspector and their realtor together, and that puts 3 sets of eyes on your home. The inspector's trained eye, your own perspective as a buyer, and your agent's experience to interpret what's found and prioritize those repairs. Because a great inspection isn't just about the report, it's about peace of mind when starting your next chapter. Got questions about inspections or the buying process? Drop them in the comments below or send us a quick message. We're always happy to help you feel confident before you close. And stay tuned for some of our next videos. Be sure to click the follow button, and we'd love to see you back.